No matter what challenges we face, no matter who we've been in the past, what mistakes we've made, what challenges there have been in our life, we're always spiritual beings. We're always whole. We're always complete. We're always expressions of spirit. We're always expressions of God's joy and love, and abundance is available to us. Strength is available to us. Courage is available to us. No matter what the challenge is that we face, nothing can change the fact that we're spiritual beings. That is the message of Easter. That is the resurrection that can happen inside of us as we tune into that presence and power. Any one of us can go from the mortal self, the sense of limitation, to the immortal self through prayer. Through prayer. When you tune in to that presence through prayer, what happens to you? You are moving from the sense of limitation and you're looking up. As Jesus said, lift up your eyes and see that the fields are ripe for the harvest. As Abraham was told, lift up your eyes and all that you see I will give you. Lift up your eyes from the appearance and tune in to the presence within you. That's where we find our resurrecting power. That's where we tune in to the peace, the power, the wisdom, the love, the substance, the courage, the renewing activity that lifts us up. When there is casting down, there is lifting up, says Job. And that's true for all of us. It wasn't just true for Jesus. It wasn't something that was just done 2,000 years ago that God did specially for Jesus. It's something that, as he said, the kingdom is within you. The power is within you. The power is within me. That's something that happens within us every single day. You know what a resurrection is? A resurrection is when there's any kind of beneficial change in you and in your inner experience, your inner thoughts, your inner feelings. That's a resurrection. When there's a beneficial shift in your consciousness, you've experienced a resurrection. And we can all experience that. In fact, I believe that we can experience, and we ought to, really, we ought to practice this resurrecting principle every single day. Easter's not just a noun, something we remember from years ago. Easter is a verb. It's an activity. It's something that we've got to engage in every single day to keep our thoughts resurrected, keep our thoughts uplifted, to rise up in our thinking and in our ways of being. That's our daily practice. See, Jesus didn't get to where he was. He didn't just come down like this. He wasn't a special dispensation. He was an example. He was a way shower. I am the way, the truth, and the life. He was showing us the way, and it took practice. It took practice, practice, and practice. It took faith on his part. It says in Hebrews that he was tempted in all ways like all of us, but he didn't give in. You see, he kept at it. He learned mastery. It's like that great performer, Paderewski. He was performing for a family in Europe, and afterwards a duchess came over and said, "You are a maestro, you're a master." And he said, "Yes, but before I was that, I was a clod." He had to practice and practice and practice to get to where he was. And so did Jesus. And so do you and I. And so I say every day, we need to focus on keeping our thoughts elevated. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.